This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for March 30th. Due to the challenges of the recent COVID-19 crisis, the City of Medicine Hat is extending the notice of assessment date for non-residential and multifamily properties. The mailing date is now moved from April 9th to May 14th, with a notice of assessment date of May 22nd and a complaint deadline of July 21st. The City will advise property owners further when tax notices are scheduled to be mailed. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced today that any Canadian business whose revenue has decreased by 30% or more due to the pandemic will be eligible for the 75% wage subsidy promised on Friday. Charities and not-for-profit organizations are also able to apply, as well as companies of all sizes. The emergency wage subsidy will be backdated to March 15th and will be based on the first $58,700 earned, meaning up to $847 a week, with more details being announced this coming week. On Friday, there was an announcement about business closures and essential versus non-essential services. Optometry and dental practices have been deemed by the Government of Alberta as essential for emergency services. We encourage individuals who are experiencing urgent care needs to call their service provider or visit their website for information on how to safely access care. It's important to always call ahead during this time, as it's necessary to limit face-to-face interactions. The City of Medicine Hat will be suspending transit fares indefinitely in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Effective immediately, no payment will be required for both regular and special transit passengers. All regular transit passengers will be allowed to enter buses through the rear door, with the front door access limited to those with mobility issues. Starting next week, weekday bus schedules will alternate to the Saturday schedule, with weekends shifting to the Sunday schedule. As of noon today, any Canadian traveller who shows COVID-19 symptoms will be banned from boarding any domestic flights or trains in an effort to limit the spread of the virus between provinces and cities. There's also a new guide with mandated directions on how to respond to and prevent COVID-19 concerns. This has been posted online for operators of continuing care facilities, seniors' lodges, residential addiction treatment facilities, and licensed facilities for persons with disabilities. As a result of school closures and reduced access to community resources, Kids Help Phone is experiencing increased demand for its 24/7 confidential online telephone and text counselling services across Canada. The Government of Canada will give $7.5 million in funding to Kids Help Phone to provide young people with mental health support that they need during this time. The Government of Canada is also contributing $9 million through United Way Canada for local organizations to support practical services for Canadian seniors. These services could include the delivery of groceries, medications, and other needed items, or personal outreach to assess individuals' needs and connect them to community supports. Health Canada is also warning Canadians about the risks of buying health products, including drugs, natural health products, homeopathic products, and medical devices that make false or misleading claims to prevent, treat, or cure COVID-19. If you have purchased health products that claim to prevent, treat, or cure COVID-19, stop using them and consult your healthcare professional if you have any concerns. There's an advocacy update on the daily COVID-19 briefing, and we've had some briefings with the federal government. Our first one was Friday, and we had another one today. And the Canadian Chamber has also updated a frequently asked question document that's now posted on our website. Stay tuned, as in the coming days, you'll hear more about the Canadian Business Resilience Network. The Canadian Chamber of Commerce has established this network to bring together a vast network of chambers across this country, along with boards of trade and Canada's leading business and industry associations, to help the business community prepare, persevere, and ultimately prosper as we collectively face the COVID-19 pandemic. We've posted the Government of Alberta weekly overview of COVID-19, as well as posted a survey from Stats Canada, which would be due tomorrow. The Conference Board of Canada has also provided some additional resources, and we do have some webinars that are both on demand and registration with the listings on our daily update. We hope this has helped you, and we'll talk to you again soon.